Hello guys, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Today I only traded TLRY, although look what happened. Boom. Yeah, it moved about probably $3.69 for the entire day. I mean, for now, as of now, $3.69. My prediction was about $4 today, which is good. I also was watching ACB, not AMC, ACB. I was expecting this to move about $1, which is great. And AVHA, I did not trade all of them because I was only watching TLRY, but yeah, it was a really good day for me. Let's look. Yeah, see, as you can see here, I have my notes here. It's gonna move for about $4. Yeah, it's kind of close, so not bad. I'm trying to get better at predictions on these moves to catch most of them, but you know, I was all out here. Took a long here. Should be taking a long somewhere here at this green line, but you know, I kind of reached my goal at 27.15, somewhere like level. For ACB, $1 move. Look at that, moved about $1 today. That's great, right? So I was only expecting $1. What else? For APHA, was expecting $2. Look at that, $2. So happy, so happy. Yeah, I only traded TLRY. Was if you're wondering where I got this 27.15, probably somewhere here in this area here. Yep, so this is where I got my 27.15, somewhere here. Yeah, this area here. So that's kind of like my goal. I said, okay, I'm gonna at least get a $2 move. So from the open, the $2 move is that one. So that's probably the closest that I can get. And for levels, point of entry somewhere here. If it's kind of like below here to open, I'm gonna short it all the way to 24.43, but it kind of held. They said, okay, it's probably gonna squeeze back to VWAP, which it normally does. Normally when a gap up stock, it will sell off. A gap up stock will kind of sell off, like what happened here. I shorted it. I recognized I was wrong because it did not break 25 at all. I was gonna add a 25 when I shorted it here. I was gonna add a 25 for 24.75 flow of day, and then all the way down. But yeah, it did not work. So I flipped it to short to 25.50. Original entry should be somewhere here at 26, but I said it's gonna squeeze high of day of this previous candle, which it did. I waited patiently because I said, okay, I'm not gonna be scared. I was gonna stop out below 25 just in case, because I said, okay, it's below this line, it's probably weak. So I took profits, slowly taking profit. I was almost all out here. I left probably 10% of my shares. I added it, so I have more. Took profit, added again, hoping for another break of, what's this, 27.15, which happened actually. Yeah, but it kind of chopped up. Look at those wicks, and no volume. Large wicks, no volume. They're not real. So I don't have any levels here, but yeah, I was only hoping for 27.15. I'm happy, reached my goal, stopped the day for trading. I only traded about 20 minutes. So yeah, let's watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. I've been seeing only 50% of my viewers are subscribed. So, you know, 50% subscribed, 50% not subscribed. So if you can, please, it would help me if you subscribe. I'm kind of growing this channel to help out others, but if I'm not getting subscribers, there's really no point of making this video. So if you're not subscribed yet, please, it's just hit the subscribe and follow me in my social media accounts. If you have any questions, please just feel free to comment down below. And yeah, I'm gonna say it again, please subscribe, because most of my viewers, half of them are not subscribed. Okay, let's watch. Yeah, as you can see here, I was actually watching mainly on TLRY and watching these 3 stocks here. Here, as you can see, hoping for $4 move for TLRY, hoping for a dollar move for ACB, and hoping for a $2 move for APHA, but we don't know where it's gonna go, right? So there you go. TLRY opened. Let's fast forward this a bit. Dump really hard. I said, okay, that's a huge drop on the first 1 minute. As you can see, I had about 1 million already. So it's kind of normal to have a gap up stock dump on the first minute. What's this? ACB had about 900,000, 700,000 for APHA. But let's look at this. It's being bought, or you know, it's, I kind of shorted it here for a 25 break, but it didn't work, so I flipped it to long right away. That was too fast. Let me go back here. So my aim is 1 minute orb here, right? Probably risking 25.50, but I have really wide stop, so that's about $1, because I'm gonna add for another $1, so it's gonna be 50-cent risk. I'm gonna add for a 25 break. If this breaks, you see this order here, if that breaks, I'm gonna add. So that was the plan. That's why I shorted it. But this wick is kind of like a bad sign that it's, you know, it's someone's buying it somewhere here, right? Because if, you know, if it's really weak, it probably should close somewhere here. So this moved about $1, so I risk $1. I'm gonna add just in case, but you know, I didn't really work. So I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna flip it to short. I even took it twice here. I don't know why it only shows one after I flipped it twice. So that was the move that I was expecting. Actually, I was patiently waiting for a good risk reward. I said, okay, it's below this red line now. I said, oh my god. So I was waiting and waiting. I kind of like this wick. Let's see if this will have a better wick. If it closes somewhere here, it's probably a good sign. Okay, it's above this 25.50, and if it closes above again, it's a good sign, which it did, right? I could have probably added here, but look at those wicks. So they're just wicking and wicking. So I was patiently taking profit in there. There you go. It was really wicky. So that was the profit. You see more orders in there. Okay, more people are pushing it. 27.15. That's my target. So probably get most of my shares here. Really good profit. There you go. Took some more off. I was actually waiting for 27.50 break, but it didn't really happen. I saw 28 here. I said, okay, maybe it's gonna go to 28. Yeah, it didn't happen. So I should have taken most of it. Yeah, so I have like 10% left. Yeah, so I took most of my shares here. That was a huge drop. I thought it's going to continue to go down. I said if it holds 25.50, I'm going to add. My average is 25.31. So at this levels here, it's kind of like a guide, which is good. $26 round number and 25.50. So I added because I kind of like the wicks here, but you know, I have room to play around, probably 50 cents. So I'm going to take profit somewhere at 26.49. That's high of pre-market. Just took a little bit in there. Come on. Yeah, I took more. Just playing around, recycling shares. Yeah, I was kind of moving around my target, my stop, because I said, okay, I don't want to give back any. But if I put it here, it's probably really close. It could just wick down, right? So I took more. And I said, okay, I'm just gonna leave it. It looks like it's still gonna go to 27 at this point, but I said maybe not, because it's already made about $2.64 at this point. So at this early stage, that's a huge move. So normally it should settle and then go for the next move. Yeah, so that's why I added there. I thought it's gonna hold VWAP and 26 level, but I didn't. Yeah, so I stopped out. So as you can see here, let's probably go back to the other ones. As you can see here, I have this green line here for a long, but it's kind of like hovering around here, right? So it could have been nice taking it long here, this point. So it's just a level here that I wanted to take it long for a high of day. This is a high of day here. Take it long, risk this area here, so probably less than 2-to-1, but that was a good move. Look at ACB. Good thing we did not trade ACB. It's kind of chopping around, but you know, this one has moved about $1 already, so I wasn't expecting this to move more than that. Yeah, because it's a really, you know, like a, you know, cheaper stock side, so it's kind of hard to trade. You have to be really tight to make money in here. For TLRY, it can move about $4, so it's easier to manage. Size, yeah, got nothing else to say. Let's fast forward this a bit. So actually it continued to go up. Give me one sec. So imagine, like at this area, right? It was kind of wicking. Like, look at this wicks. I'm not sure. Imagine if you have a stop here, you might get stopped and then you'll probably go back. It's like really dangerous if you have hard stops. So yeah. And look what happened. So this is probably $1 area, like $1 move. You can probably risk this area and then probably more than 1-to-1. But yeah, I mean, it's fine. I reached my goal. My goal is to trade only in the first 30 minutes or an hour, and if whatever money I make in there, that's fine. We miss this kind of moves, it's fine. I don't want to be too stressed. Imagine trading for like more than an hour. It's gonna be, you know, your heartbeat is probably beating non-stop unless you're trading really wide stops. But for me, you know, I add into a trade and it's yeah, different kind of ball game. So yeah, if you like what you're watching, you know what to do. I'm gonna say it again. Subscribe for more updates, and if you haven't, please subscribe, because I realize half of my viewers are not subscribed. If you can help me grow this channel, yeah, so let me know, what did you guys trade today? Did you guys trade the weed stocks, or you know, those are the only movers that I saw today that has higher volume. So let me know what you traded, and probably share ideas how you entered. And I recommend you to make recaps as well, like me. You know, let's keep sharing knowledge about day trading, because it's easy when you know what you're doing. All right, have a good day, everyone. Cheers.